All right, I got something to show you guys today. This little compact RV, for us, it's an RV air filter. If you have a little furry friend that travels around with you, then you're gonna probably want one of these. It's an air filter specifically for pets, right? So if you have a dog, cat, hamster, gerbil, whatever, this is gonna help you to keep the air pure, circulating. Works specifically, like I said, for pet dander, things like that. And it cleans the air. Not only does it clean the air, but it acts as a fan as well. So it kind of cools that temperature down if you want it to for those hot summer days when you're out camping in the RV. So this thing absolutely lives in our RV right here. So let me take you on a quick tour of this air filter right here. Now, before I turn it on, I want to show you guys one of the best parts about this. You can actually put in some essential oils, and what you do is you just push that up, pop that up, put a little bit of a drop right there, and now when the fan blades are spinning, it's kicking in those scents. And so you can have like a nice clean scent. That's kind of what we have right now with the kind of aromatherapy or whatever you have going on in your trailer. And then you have your filters, which are just right on the front grate. You know, you can take this out, really super easy to clean or to replace. And so that's one of the nicest features that I like a lot, is it is just super easy to access, super easy to clean. You don't have to unscrew anything, and it just sits right back into place just like that. Now we're good to go. Now let me tell you right here. So once you kick this button, you turn it on. So you're going to have a couple different lights. You're going to have red for your air quality is really bad. You're going to have orange for okay air quality, and then you got blue for excellent air quality. And that's where we like to live. We like to live on the blue right here. Now the settings aren't going to be really that difficult on here, but you are going to want to see your fan. So you can kick that into automatic mode, where it just senses, depending on your air quality, how much speed it's going to gauge your speed. So if you really want to, you can just let it live on automatic mode. But if you're like, you know what, I want to have low speed, medium speed, or high speed right there. So those are your different speed levels. And then obviously you have a timer. So this timer right here will go all the way up to 16 hours. Let me show you that really quick. So 16 hours of air quality before it's going to time out, shut off, right? And we're going to just blank that. And then you have a sleep mode, which obviously just quiets everything down when you're sleeping, if it's right next to your bed or whatever. Now, this guy right here is specifically made for that guy right there. Hello. This is your pet mode right here. And believe it or not, he knows how to turn it on. He's turned it on a couple times where he's come up here and hit his nose. He likes the green button. So that pet mode, you can see already, that kind of just dials up the speed, the intensity, and it just gets that pet out of there. Then you have a change your filter mode. So when this is red, says, hey, you know what, we need to change your filter or clean your filter, and you're good to go. You have a lock mode so that you can press it, and then nobody can change your settings. And then at nighttime, this is kind of a cool feature. If it's too bright or whatever, you can turn it off. Everything is still running, but the lights are all off except for that light right there. All right, I got a little bit of a personal story to tell you. The other day, we had some really, really bad smells. I believe we had a dead mouse that was in the washer and dryer lines, and we got it out, but it stunk the trailer up so bad. Basically the reason why we got an air purifier, but I'll never go back to not having one. It just makes it so much better, particularly if you let your trailer sit for a while, like in storage. You can come and kick this on like as you're prepping, getting it ready to go out for the season or camping or whatever, and just leave this running while you're working on it. And in a matter of a few hours, that smell was gone. It totally was dissipated, and this air purifier was working overtime. Like, we just let it run, and eventually now today we can actually enjoy our camping trip. We don't have those nasty smells anymore, right? Particularly in trailers, this is going to be a great fit. I was just thinking about it because sometimes you get those gray tank, black tank odors that you don't like. This is definitely going to protect against those emergency nose situations. So if you just happen to have a use case where you want your air pure, clean, refreshing, inviting, oh, and by the way, or any scent that you want with essential oils, you might just want to look at this one.